All right, let's just go try to find us some lace. We need the sexy stuff. Some butterflies. All right, let's see here. What is this? It's a pretty wild ass design, dude. We got some lace. Oh look, they dropped the Ford off. Ooh, this thing is gonna be sick when he's done with it. You can hear that fucker in there right now. Day 3, motherfucker. God damn, dude. Dude.
And then I'd lay masking tape here over the black.
Yeah.
Because this blue is where it's going to be black.
Yeah.
And I could spray that, and then I could put tape over this, and then I was going to cut with a razor blade around it. So you have red, and then lace starts here. So you have space between the lace.
Yeah,
and
you'd
hands.
have to do that just to be able to, otherwise it's not even gonna work.
Right, it won't be all busy. Like you'll see your burgundy through here. And lace.
It's really hard to decide whether we go simple or lace. It's really hard to decide.
For sure.
Because simple already looks amazing.
It'd be tight. But I think lace could put it over the top.
Yeah, and that's kind of what we want to do.
Right, and if we
want to like kind of highlight some skills of yours.
Right, and if we show, or if we trim here to keep some red and then the black starts, I think it'd be gangster.
Yeah, I think you could tuck it in there as long as you gave it enough space.
I was thinking like a 1/4 inch.
Yeah, like if you gave it like a 1/4 inch of space, I
Then
think
this would pop separately.
I think it would work good that way. Let's just try it.
I can do it. I think this will be sick if we do it right.
Hell yeah, brother. Simple's always cool. We always like to do it simple. Like, don't get me wrong, just the logo with like a teardrop would be ideal. But, you know, we can get more bikes and do more things. So we'll do one of those in the future. And coming up, dude, he's gonna do my bagger, and I think we have a cool idea. And like lace is, we're just gonna run with it. So, what do you think?
Let's do it.
All right, hell yeah. Game time. Oh, fuck! Oh, fuck! Look at it, like, it looks so sick like that.